how to hide names on notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, open up your iPhone settings and then scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, here, if you want to hide the names on all of the notifications, then you'll need to tap on Show Previews option. And here you can see it is set to always. Then you'll need to tap on When Unlocked or Never. So that means that when your iPhone is not unlocked, then the names will not be previewed. So when you set it to never, then you'll have to open the particular app to see the name of the person. However, if you set it to when unlocked, then it will show you as soon as you unlock your phone. So that's it. This is how you hide notifications, names on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.